Still using your pet's name as a password? Time to call in the big guns, because hackers aren't sleeping, and neither is AI in cybersecurity. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, helping people level up with technology and increase digital participation. Every course you take or product you buy helps fund free IT classes and community befriending events. So when you learn, others benefit too. The problem is, cybersecurity is evolving fast. In 2025, a cyber attack happens every 39 seconds. That's not a horror movie stat, that's real life. Phishing scams, deepfake voice fraud, ransomware attacks, AI-generated malware. Whether you're a small business owner, student, or grandma with a Facebook page, you're a target. The superhero arrives, how AI is changing cybersecurity. Enter artificial intelligence. It's like hiring a digital bouncer, detective, and wizard, all rolled into one. 1. AI-powered threat detection. AI scans your network in real time, learning your usual behavior and flagging anything odd, like your account logging in from Antarctica. 2. Predictive analytics. AI uses massive data patterns to predict what kind of attack might happen next. It's like a cybersecurity psychic, minus the crystal ball. 3. Instant automated response. With traditional cybersecurity, by the time you react, it's too late. AI acts instantly, isolating devices, blocking emails, or cutting off access like a digital ninja. 4. Deep learning for malware detection. Hackers are getting sneakier, hiding viruses in PDFs or memes. Yes, memes. AI learns to spot even cleverly disguised threats. Okay, you're not a tech wizard, but you don't need to be. Here's how to use AI-powered cybersecurity right now, even if you're just getting started. Solutions you can use today. AI cybersecurity tips. Tip 1. Use AI-based antivirus tools. Upgrade from basic antivirus to smart ones like Bitdefender, Norton 360, or Sophos AI. These tools detect threats proactively, not just reactively. Tip 2. Enable multi-factor authentication. MFA. MFA plus AI equals sign security boost. Even if someone steals your password, AI can detect if it's not really you logging in. Tip 3. Train your team with AI simulations. Phishing training doesn't have to be boring. Use platforms like KnowBe4 or Cofense for fun. AI-driven phishing tests. Tip 4. Use AI email filters. Emails are still hackers' favorite playground. Tools like Google's AI spam filter or Spam Titan AI catch malicious emails before they even hit your inbox. Tip 5. Monitor with AI security tools. Platforms like Darktrace, CrowdStrike, or Microsoft Defender. 365 give you a 24/7 virtual bodyguard for your business or personal devices. Future trends. Where is AI in cybersecurity heading? Now let's geek out. The future of AI in cybersecurity looks wild, though it's awesome. Trend 1, AI versus AI, cyber battle royale. Yes, hackers are starting to use AI too, but so are defenders. We're talking about AI fighting AI, like a digital Star Wars. Trend 2, emotion-based threat detection. AI is learning to detect stress in typing or hesitation in speech to spot impersonation or fraud. Creepy? A little. Effective? Very. Trend 3, AI-powered cloud security. With businesses moving to the cloud, AI is being built into platforms like AWS, GuardDuty, Google Chronicle, and Azure Sentinel to protect data around the clock. You don't need a PhD in tech to stay safe, but you do need to be proactive. Want to train yourself or your team in cybersecurity? Need easy-to-use tools, resources, or a website that's secure from day one? Looking for ebooks or courses to boost your skills? Visit OneConnect CIC and explore our affordable, beginner-friendly solutions. Empower yourself with essential digital skills and unlock new opportunities. Our services include digital skills training. Learn essential tools and techniques, community outreach, support underserved groups, expert guidance, learn from experienced mentors, affordable courses, budget-friendly, high-value training. Our products include digital resources, ebooks, guides, templates, website design and maintenance, professional, secure websites. Join OneConnect CIC today and start your journey toward digital success. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us do more for the community. Got an experience with AI or cybersecurity? Share it in the comments. Someone else might benefit from your story. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts below. Thank you and see you next time.